Have you ever wished you had a crystal ball to predict future customer service needs, helping you staff your team perfectly and reduce wait times? Imagine knowing exactly when demand will surge or dip, allowing you to optimize your operations proactively. Interpreting regression analysis results in forecasting provides precisely that clarity. It is a powerful statistical technique that helps us understand the relationship between different variables, allowing us to predict future service demand based on past data and influencing factors. Essentially, it translates complex data into actionable insights for better resource allocation. The core mechanism behind regression analysis involves identifying how changes in one or more independent variables influence a dependent variable, in our case, future service demand. Key to this are the regression coefficients, which quantify the strength and direction of these relationships. A positive coefficient means that, as the independent variable increases, service demand also tends to increase. Conversely, a negative coefficient suggests an inverse relationship. We also look at the R-squared value, which tells us the proportion of variance in the dependent variable that can be predicted from the independent variables, indicating how well our model fits the data. The p-value for each coefficient helps determine the statistical significance of each independent variable, showing if its observed relationship is likely due to chance. To effectively interpret these results, start by examining the regression coefficients. For example, if a coefficient for a marketing campaign spend is 2.5, it suggests that for every $1 increase in campaign spend, service demand increases by 2.5 units. Next, assess the R-squared value. A higher value, say above 0.7, indicates a stronger and more reliable model for your forecasting. Finally, check the p-values for each independent variable. If a p-value is less than 0.05, it confirms that the variable is statistically significant and a valuable predictor for your service demand. This systematic approach ensures you are relying on robust, evidence-based insights. An insider tip for advanced interpretation involves considering potential issues like multicollinearity, where independent variables are highly correlated with each other. This can inflate the standard errors of coefficients, making them appear less significant than they are. Another concept is autocorrelation, which occurs when the errors in your model are not independent of each other, often seen in time series data. Addressing these issues, perhaps by using techniques like time series regression or principal component analysis, can significantly enhance the reliability and predictive power of your forecast models. By mastering the interpretation of regression coefficients, R-squared values, and p-values, you gain a robust framework for predicting customer service demand with greater accuracy. This understanding empowers you to make informed decisions about staffing, resource allocation, and operational planning, ultimately leading to improved service quality, reduced costs, and enhanced customer satisfaction. It transforms reactive responses into proactive strategies.